What is up, you guys? It's me, Serge, coming at you with another video. So today I'm actually taking my car to go get wrapped. I'm excited. It'll be getting wrapped and tinted. I'm on my way right now. I scheduled an appointment ahead. It also have a major detail inside and outside. Let's crank up the car. That was insane. Let's see that one more time. This is the car right here before. We're gonna get all that wrapped in matte black. Have a pinstripe going on the side, get the GT350 decal redone. Alright, and then we're gonna have some beautiful red racing stripes going all the way up right here. Let's go to the back. This should come down right here. It's kind of an idea right here of what it's gonna look like. So they'll capture that line, run all the way up here, go straight up into the car. And everything else will be a detail. And the inside, we got the decals right there actually. They're about to take it on inside. I'm gonna give this whole car a detail, a paint correction, and a beautiful window tint. And these are some of their actual cars that they work on. So they got a couple BMWs here parked lined up. There's an Audi. And this type of tint is what I'm gonna get on mine. A nice beautiful black tint. There she is, about to get worked on. She's in the back of the shop. Cannot wait. I'll see her in a couple days and hopefully she looks amazing. I'm right here in the actual shop. They have a couple of nice sweet cars like that Porsche. And right now they're working on a brand new Corvette. Everybody's showing my car.